Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again, and just a quick 2-3 minute video about Samsung and One UI 6 in particular. Samsung Germany in specific this time announced the One UI 6 interface, and it kind of gave us a little bit of a hint into what we can expect, and then it quickly also took down the post because it wasn't actually supposed to be official. So One UI 6 developed by beta looks like it's going to be out. It's actually already out and people can sign up, although no one has really been able to sign up, but this is available in Germany, USA, and Korea, specifically right now in these regions. So if you are in these regions, you'll be able to sign in for One UI 6, and once the update is available, you'll be able to see them in the settings where you can then download One UI 6 and actually start testing it out. One of the things that was featured in the post was the quick toggle option for One UI 6, and it loosely translated from German saying that this comes in a decidedly simple look, and many UI elements have been motorized or decluttered, one example of that being the redesigned quick panel that you can see in the image below. So as you can see here, this is the actual picture of the post that came out, and this is not a high-res image, but I do have a high-res image of the actual renders, which was done by Vertox 360. So credit where credit is due. He made a few renderings, as you can see over here, of the quick toggle menu, which shows you a little bit of a blurred background, and it shows you with different color schemes. So this is a much more simpler look, and I have to say that this looks very similar to kind of ColorOS, and kind of gives it that pixel type of look, which is more original to stock Android. You can see that the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth are now separate buttons because these are the ones that are going to be used the most, and then we have the most important, or the buttons that are just in one place, where these are the ones that we're going to be using a lot, so like the flashlight, the sound mode, airplane mode, and many other devices, many other settings. You can also see that we have the edit button here up on the top, which means that we'll be able to edit or rearrange these as we like. Down here we also see the display settings, so you can see the eye comfort shield, the dark mode, and you can also set up your brightness. So yeah guys, just a quick little video showing you guys what One UI 6 is most probably going to look like. If you want to see what it currently looks like, then this is the shot of One UI 5, which is the latest based on Android 13, and this is the latest one that is most likely going to be coming out. We are just very near to One UI 6. Samsung has officially, unofficially kind of already announced. So this looks like this is the real deal. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.